Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Arduino $0 starter pack in this channel. In this video I will show you how to use a button to move a servo. Okay, let's get started to the video. First we should enter the Tinkercad web first, Tinkercad. And if you have created account or have logged in before, you should directly enter the dashboard of this one, and then we go to the circuits and then create a new circuits. Like always, we should put the Arduino and the breadboard in our template first with Arduino starters, and then breadboard, hold and drag into the template. Okay. And then first we should put the button, push button, this sensor to our template, and then we choose a servo for our output. We use this micro servo. And then we search in the internet for the push button program. Okay, we search for this menu. Then we copy the code and replace to the default code of this. Okay, select all and paste the program that we had copied from the Arduino web, and then we erase the LED pin because we don't use LED one, we use servo. Okay, in pin 7. In pin 7 is the push buttons signal. Okay, pin mode LED output, we should delete it because we don't use LED. Okay, and then after that we connect the push button sensor to the Arduino. In the terminal 1A we should use a resistor here. Okay, and then we change the direction of the resistor with this menu, rotate, and then rotate until like this, and then put like here. Okay, and then in this like terminal 1 in the resistor, we put into ground like this, and then in this line we select here and connect into this pin number 7 in Arduino, because in the program we put into 7. Okay, and the 2A here in the push button we put into the 5 volt. Right, okay, and then we search for the servo program in the internet. Okay, we choose the Arduino CC1. Okay, and this is the code. We select all and copy it into the code. Anyway, we should just uh, we select only this. We select only this code for the setup, for the declare variables in the top. Include the library of Servo and then a Servo pin, my Servo. After that, in void setup, we only use this, my Servo, that's 9. After that, and then this Servo, my Servo, right? Remove the Servo. Okay. In this project, I want to use the button to be a switch button. So I only push once to switch it on, and then push once again to switch it off. I don't want to hold the button for a long time. Okay, to make the button to the switch button, we should make a new variable named counter. In counter. Okay, in counter equals to 0, and then we put the serial begin to check the system in the serial monitor. Serial begin 9600. And then file digital read is, this program is to read the button sensor, and then file high, if the button is pushed, then the value is high. So we change it into counter plus plus. Plus plus means the counter is plus by 1. Okay, after that you erase this, and then you copy this, and then you serial print counter to check the counter value. Serial print done. Counter. Okay, and then if counter equals to, you should put double equals to if syntax counter. So the output is true or false. Okay, if 1. My Servo, right? So my Servo, right? We put in it to 90 degree. We write like this, 90, it means 90 degree, and then we put 1 again. If counter equals to 2, Servo write 0, and then the counter back again to the 0 value. Counter 0. Okay, so the system will be looped again into 0, and then if we push the button again, it will be 1, and then looping again. Okay, I forgot to connect the servo. First, the ground legs one, we should connect to the ground in here. And power, we connect to the 5-volt one. And the signal we put into 9. Okay, and then we can start our simulation. Start our simulation and see what happens. You can check the serial counter. The counter is 0 now. Then we can push the button. Wait until the servo is on the 0° level. Okay, and then we can push the button once. And then the counter is go to the 1. And then is we put in we push again. Okay, I think I should push into the counter value should delay 300 to make sure the programs didn't read the button twice. Okay, we can and then we can provide setup servo rack 0 to make the servo in 0° level. Okay, and then we can start the simulation. Okay, let's push the button once. Okay, and then it moves into 90°. And the counter value now is 1. And then we push again. It back into 0°, and the counter is already in 0 value. Okay, that's it about this tutorial video. I hope you all understand this project. If you have any question in this project, or you have any projects you want to ask, please comment down below. I will help you in the next video. Thank you.